In this video, you will learn how to use the Smartbar on your Urtopia e-bikes. Come closer to check what the Smartbar looks like. On the right, it is the shifter, a square pad with 5 buttons on the left, and a big screen in the middle with the fingerprint reader. Let's get it started. 1. Operate the shifter. Urtopia e-bike's shifter are performing as normal bike. Please, do not operate the shifter when the bike can stand still. First things first, lower gear makes you pedal easier, while higher gear makes you pedal harder. But reaching reasonable cadence when in high speed depend on the model of your choice. You may find the shifter looks a bit different. Let's take the Carbon 1 Pro for example. Push the lower lever on the shifter, makes the gear go one step lower, while pull the higher lever makes the gear go one step higher. By combining gear and assist mode, you should get the ideal riding feeling at most of the situation, and achieve your riding goal. 2. Turn on the bike. When in standby mode, long press the circular button on the screen to unlock with your fingerprint. Make sure you've already recorded your fingerprint before pressing the button. If not, anyone can turn on the bike. Well, you can also use the app to unlock the bike. 2. Beep the horn. Once the bike is unlocked, pressing the middle round button on the control pad beeps the bike horn. 3. Voice control. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds. You activate the voice control. You can see a handsome face in the display, and now you can give a voice command. 4. Change speed mode. Top button is for speed up and bottom button is for speed down. Choose one of the 4 modes: pedal, eco, comfort, and sport. And one more special mode, turbo. You need to press and hold the top button for 3 seconds. With the sound and display of a rocket rising, it's time to fly to the moon. Press up or down to exit this mode. 5. Switch display info. Click the left button or the right button to switch the screen display information. The default display shows the current speed, battery level, and speed mode. Next one shows the current trip distance and calories burned. Following one shows the current power and current cadence. Final one shows the current time, weather for next hour, and signal strength for eSIM. 6. Lights. Press and hold the left button for 3 seconds to turn on the integrated lights. Long press the left button to turn off the lights. 7. Walk mode. Press and hold the right button for 3 seconds to enter the walk mode. The bike will help you easily walk the bike up a steep slope. But remember, you need to keep pressing the button to stay in walk mode. As soon as you let go your finger, walk mode stops. 8. Connect to e-bike's Bluetooth speaker. Access the speaker function from the Smartbar page in the app. Pair your phone to the e-bike, follow the on-screen instruction. Now you can play music from your preferred app and enjoy it while riding. 9. Start on-screen navigation. Make sure your phone is connected to the bike via Bluetooth, as well as the e-bike's Bluetooth speaker. If you want the navigation sound to be played, go to the location page in the app, type in the destination, tap go. The navigation will start on the built-in screen, give you turn-by-turn signal. Now you can put your phone in your pocket and enjoy your safety exploration. 8. Turn off the bike. Long press the fingerprint button to put the bike into standby mode. By default, this mode will not activate the alarm. You can change this function in the app, switch between standby mode or alarm mode, or use the voice control lock the bike to access alarm mode temporary. Now you know the basic to operate the bike. There is more for you to discover in the app. Have fun! For more help, please contact support@urtopia.com.